Here is, I did that last time. I turned it sideways. Here is the boat. It's looking pretty rough. See, it's a beautiful Alcort Catfish. Very cool. But I'll show you up close here what we're dealing with. This is all, you can see the thickness of the growth on it. So we have a lot of growth. We're going to try and clean this off. I scrubbed the bottom, so I'm going to try and clean this. So I will clean it. I think it's going to come out really nice. Look at how bad this is. Look at this down in here. All right. And we'll maybe stop halfway and show you the project. And then we'll put our finishing touches on. This has a couple of repairs on the back. Small repair there, small repair there. Again, it's from the early 60s, mid 60s. Number 954. All right.